Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to remove background noise in Adobe Audition. First thing I'm going to do is import this file. It's a video file, but it has very poor audio. It has a lot of background noise, and it wasn't really the best room, but I wasn't the one recording it, so don't blame me.
Be careful with it.
So here you can listen to it, and you can tell that it just has a lot of background noise and that we gotta remove it. So what you need to do is find a few seconds where no one's talking, where there's just background noise. Click, hold, and select it, and then go up to Effects, go to Noise Reduction and Restoration, and Capture Noise Print. There's going to be a pop-up window, just click OK, then go back up to Effects, go back to Noise Reduction and Restoration, and then click Noise Reduction Process. And now there's going to be a little pop-up thing that will kind of give you some settings that you can have. You can play it, just click Apply, and then it'll apply the noise process. And then you'll see that all of the audio, the background noise, is really much higher quality. The background noise is taken away. Sometimes this can cause some tinny sounds. You might want to mess around with those settings in the window a little bit. But anyway, I hope this helped you out in your current and future projects. And yeah, see you on the next one.